welcome to Aspire Training Research Consulting. We are proud to present our Highfield Accredited postgraduate diploma in HACCP&Food Safety Management, your gateway to excellence in food safety across various industries.
Today's work, food safety is paramount. Whether it is manufacturing, catering, trading, retail, distribution or packaging materials, every sector of the food industry plays a crucial role in ensuring that we eat is safe.
This course is designed for professionals who are willing to work or already working in the food industry without any specific diploma, post-graduation or graduation, but interested to avail an accredited qualification.
Our Highfield Accredited PG Diploma in HACCP and Food Safety Management is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in various food industry sectors. Throughout this program, you will engage in both theoretical and practical learning. You will gain insights into HACCP, TACCP, VACCP, allergen risk assessment, GFSI scheme requirements, performance evaluation and improvement of FSMs.
We ensure you are not just learning but also applying these principles in real-world scenarios. Upon completion, you will receive a Highfield Accredited postgraduate diploma in HACCP and Food Safety Management, a qualification that is highly regarded in the industry and open doors to numerous career opportunities.
Enroll today and take the first step towards a safer, healthier future in the food industry. For more information, call us directly or visit our website.